Hi, I'm Cam, a certified personal trainer here at Best Buy, and today on Best Buy's Unboxed, I'm excited to unbox the Withings BPM Connect Smart Wi-Fi Blood Pressure Monitor. Let's get into it. Now as you take a peek at the box, very sleek design, it's very minimalistic, which I love, that's right up my alley. We'll open the box here. It has an easy pull tab for me to open this. Very sleek, and here we go, the big reveal. Look at that. I love the gray color, and as I'm opening it, it's got a very soft cuff, which I have sensitive skin, so it's not gonna irritate my skin at all, which I love. And it is also one piece. It looks like there's one button on there, so it's gonna be easy for me to operate. What else do we have in here? We have a USB charging cable. Now you'll need a power brick to plug it into the wall. It takes about 3 hours to charge, and then the battery will last up to 6 months. The first feature that I'd love to talk about is that with this sleek design of the BPM Connect, it's gonna be easy for me to travel with. I'm a big travel junkie, so it'll be easy for me to store it wherever I need to take it. And the second feature is it is easy for me to operate. I'll pair the BPM Connect to the HealthMate app with just one press of a button. After it's paired, I'm able to get my reading of my blood pressure and heart rate with the same press of that button. And the HealthMate app is gonna allow me to show my doctors and healthcare professionals what my readings are. The BPM Connect syncs via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, making it easy for me to interpret and understand the data with every measurement. The results will display on the screen of the BPM Connect, making it easy for me to see all of my results. And I have a big family, so it supports up to 8 users, so every family member will be able to see their personalized results. I'm Cam, a certified personal trainer here at Best Buy, and today we unboxed the Withings BPM Connect Smart Wi-Fi Blood Pressure Monitor. We'll see you on the next one.